The installation method is very simple. Put it back. Plug the connector back in. Put it back in the groove, then install the wires. Next, I'll get in the car and start it. See if the engine is still shaking. If it doesn't shake, friends, remember to give me a like. Please support me. Your support is my biggest motivation for making videos. If you follow me, if you have any car questions in the future, you can ask me. Go! Apply the brakes first. Start up! Did you see it? A success. The power is very strong. Go and have a look in front. Try again. See it? No more shaking. This method is very practical. Have you learned it? Follow me. Learn car knowledge every day.